Hi everyone, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I am going to be going through a potential trade that I am going to be taking on USDCAD. Alright, so first of all, as per usual, we are going to establish the overall directional bias on the higher time frame. Alright, so as we can see right here, we can see that price is currently going up in an uptrend. We are currently on the 4-hour time frame, by the way. So it's created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we can see that it is going up into an uptrend. Okay, so with that being said, let's just go and annotate the different key points or key areas that we are looking at. So of course we do see an order block right here, though I would say that this is low probable, okay, because there is no significant break of structure that has occurred except for one right here, which did not really come back down. It just continued going up again. So this I would consider that this is invalidated. Alright, any other places of interest that we might see? Okay, I do see this double top feature right here. Let me just lower down the size not lower down, reduce the size of the brush. Alright, so I do see these two areas of liquidity right there. I also do see areas of liquidity right here as well. Alright, so these are two main areas of targeting in the future. Alright, so let's just draw some lines. Alright, draw two levels right here. Okay, and this can just be areas of liquidity. Alright, so we have one there, and then we also have one right there. Alright, so let's just move on into the lower time frames and see how we go. Alright, so let's just go on to the 1 hour time frame and let's see what's up. Alright, so I do see that there is a potential area of reversal, alright, somewhere here, which means that price would have to go into this particular area here before it comes down again, but we will have to check it out. However, now I am looking for a buy function. Alright, reason being is because of the overall buying directional bias, creating high lows and high lows again, and high highs as well as it moves up into this particular area here. So my plan for this one would definitely be to go for a buy function. Alright, and as we can see right here, we do see a 1 hour order block over here. Let's just change the color up a bit. Sorry about that. Let's just change the coordinates and the text. This is going to be the 1 hour order block right there. So this is definitely something that we can see happening. Alright, because if you remember correctly, the way of mitigation, alright, if you guys remember correctly, there is a way of mitigation. Alright, so as you can see here, this is mitigated, this is not mitigated yet, this is mitigated already, and so on and so forth. Do ignore the text message in the back. I'm so sorry about that. So we can be looking for a price entry towards this 1 hour order block before we go up again. Alright, because there is this. Is there a possibility of price coming down and sweeping this liquidity? Yes, there is a chance of it sweeping liquidity. However, we do have to go into the lower time frames to go and check it out again. So let's go into the 30-minute. And as you can see over here, we do see a 30-minute order block over here. So let's just mark that out and let's just extend it by a bit in case there is a 15-minute order block that we need to mark it up. Alright, so let's just change this into the 15-minute order block, and that is it for now. Yes, for now. Alright, we do see, however, that there was a sweep of liquidity right here, as you know. Alright, areas like this, areas of support resistance for retail traders, are known to have tons of liquidity. Alright, so we can establish that this move right here was the one that collected liquidity. So is there a possibility of price coming down lower into this area? Maybe not. Alright, maybe not, because the ideology of order blocks is that the move of the order blocks is the move that captures liquidity for a bigger move. Alright, and that's why if you rewatch the video that we've already sent, we do talk about the mitigation process of this entire thing. Okay, so this kind of like here is the initial down move before the up push, sorry, that breaks market structure here and here as well. Okay, so in conclusion, price might not come down and break this level here, because this move itself was the one that collected liquidity. So we will just see how price plays. Okay, we already have the 15-minute and the 1 hour order block. Let's just go and see whether we can refine it again in the 30-minute. Oh wait, wait, are we in the 30-minute now? I can't remember. Oh no, we were. This is the I'm so sorry. This is the 30-minute order block. It's not the 15-minute order block, sorry. This is the 15-minute order block right there, that small piece right here. This is the 15-minute order block, so let's just mark that out, right, and put a tag on it. This is the 15-minute, not 115, 15-minute order block over here. So we do have a few points of entries, alright, but let's just go on to the bigger time frame later to refine everything again. Talking about that, I do see price coming to this area, or even this area, before reversing back down again, but we will see. Alright, there is no 100%, it is always expectational order flow. Alright, so let's just go and check it out again. This area, this is the 15-minute, the 30-minute, and the 1 hour order block. There is nothing else that we can potentially see. We can go on to the 5 minutes, alright, to see whether there is an even sharper entry. Alright, kind of. There is this there is this 5-minute order block right here, which is very, very small. Alright, we can enter into this area right here, so let's just mark this as the 5-minute order block, and that's about it. Unless of course we do want to go into the 1 hour, sorry, unless we do want to go into the 1 minute order block, which I don't think is that necessary in this particular case right here. We do see an order block occurring right here because it broke market structure, so following the order flow of this particular retracement down into the order blocks, it might just come back down from here and break this order flow. So we'll see. Alright, as I said, there is no sure 100%, sorry, 100% what's that word again? 100% way, okay, of predicting price. This is merely expectational order flow and finding a higher probability trade. Alright, so we do have this different areas right here. I'm so sorry for stuttering. This is the 1 hour entry. Alright, so always a few pips up and a few pips below. That is about, that is a 27 pip stop loss, alright, which is not that good. We don't want that, okay, as compared to when it is on the 30-minute order block, which is just a few pips on top of it, followed by right here. That's about a 16 pip stop loss. So I'm just gonna move this outside here, so we know that this is for the 1 hour. We know that this is for the 30-minute. Alright, just a few pips down. That's about a 16.3 what's it called again? Stop loss. Yes, and on the 15-minute is a 8.7 pip stop loss, and of course on the 5-minute it is not that much of a difference. Alright, let's just see how much this is. A few pips on top and a few pips below. That's about a 6.8 what is it called again? 6.8 stop loss. Yes, stop loss. I'm so sorry for my language and my tonality today. It is early in the morning. It is currently 10 AM in the morning for Singapore. So let's just look on the higher time frame, alright, and see whether everything looks logical or not. So it might look like a mess, but don't worry about it. Alright, so this is the entries that we are looking to get. Alright, we have the 5 minute over here, we have the 5 minute over here, the 15 minute over here, the 30 minute over here, and the 1 hour over here. So I think the one that looks the most logical would be the 30 minute, 15 minute entry, right? Because the 5 minute entry as compared to the 15 minute entry is not that much of a difference, though the 15 and the 30 has a pretty drastic difference, right? So we will be most likely entering into the 15 minutes and the 30 minute. Alright, so we've already found our entry point. Now let's just look for an area of target. Alright, and if you have seen the video, areas of liquidity are a good place of targeting. Okay, so there you go, right there, and let's just extend it. Alright, so if it's on the 1 hour time frame, going up there, it's about a 1:4. If it's on the 30 minutes, it's about a 1:7. If it's on the 15 minute, it's about a 1:14. And if it's on the 5 minute, it is about a 1:17. Alright, let me just move this to the side a bit. Let's just make it look nicer so that you guys can see. There you go. So I would definitely try to target this particular area here. Alright, though, however, we do see that there is a potential order block here. Though I would not consider that an order block because there is no proper breakout structure. Maybe on the lower time frames. Alright, but we'll see. We'll see. So this is my entry. This is what I intend to do for USDCAD, and it does look logical. That price would come into this particular area here, this 1 hour order block first, and then it should tap into either the 30 or the 15, and it might even tap into the 5 minute entry, alright, before going back up again. So I will update you guys about what happens. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it has been useful and helpful as well. Take care.